Hey, Doc Martinez here. Now, I already shot the video for the winner of my giveaway. However, I was having a lot of technical difficulties and I didn't realize until after I stopped the filming and started doing the edit. Now, I don't want to re-record that whole thing because I want to know, I want the winner to see who they are. So please forgive the audio. There's some reverb or double audio. I'm not sure why. I hope I fix it with this video. I'm going to cut that video as short as possible and pretty much jump to the winner. And I'll really quickly, I'm going to say here that the reason that 222 is my favorite number, one is because it's my birthday. Two, I'm a huge Emmitt Smith fan, so 22 is there. And it just has such good meaning in my life. Anytime I see 22 or 222, a lot of good things happen. And it's so much so that even my kids start looking for that number, and if they see 22 or 222, they'll give me a call and they know they're gonna have a great day. So here we go. I'm gonna cut the video very short. Let's see how it goes.
Nobody had to answer the 222 correctly. They just had to take a guess. And there's some wonderful guesses out there.
So with the participants, there were a total of 30 who answered both questions. And I'm also going to do the random generator to figure out who the winner is. So what I would like to do is do a shuffle, to shuffle all the names so that there's nobody in any particular order. Now that we have that, I'm going to go ahead and spin it. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. All right, at Matt B 9291 Blanton's.
Thank you everybody who participated. I really appreciate you all. Happy holidays, be safe out there. And if you're liking it, please subscribe, click on that next video, and keep commenting below. It does help the algorithm. Goodbye, cheers, and be safe.